How to add a Discord link to your YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to integrate your Discord channel into your YouTube channel, there are only a few steps you have to follow. The first step is to log on to Discord, and once you log on to Discord, you just want to open the particular channel that you want to link to YouTube. Let's say for us, it's this particular channel, which I've named YouTube Tutorial. Now, after that, you're just going to copy the link from the top toolbar and click on copy. After that, you want to go into your YouTube channel. Now, once you've opened up your YouTube channel, you want to click on Customize Channel on the top right. Once you click on Customize Channel over here, you can see this is going to be your dashboard. And if you scroll down over here, this is just going to be your basic layout. After that, you want to click on Branding. Once you click on branding and you scroll down, you will actually see banner images, your basic images, and then after that you have basic info. So once you click on basic info, you will actually find the option to add a link. So over here it says links, and from here you're going to click on add link. You're going to add the link title. So let's say this is going to be Discord channel, and then after that I'm going to just paste my URL just like this. And after that you're going to click on publish on the top right. And now you can click on view channel over here to take a look at your current channel. So you can go into the about section of your YouTube channel and you guys can see our Discord channel is now visible. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.